Without further ado, we're going to pick the winner of the Vision Armory rifle and the 1,000 rounds of ammunition. The winner is Eric Cleaving in New Albany, Indiana. Congratulations, Eric. We'll be in touch.